Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 5th Feb 2022. Today's for our topic name is Java 8 version. Uh, in 18 March 2014, the Java 8 version it was revolutionary released of a Java for software development platform, and it include various upgrades to the Java programming, JVM tools and libraries. Uh, we will understand all the features added in Java version 8 and other versions of Java. Basically, interface first one is a interface default and static methods. Before Java 8 interfaces could have only public abstract methods are included in Java 8 version. It was not possible to add new functionality to the existing interface. Starting the Java 8 version interfaces can have static and default methods that, despite being declared in an interface, having a defined behavior. The static method available only within the interface, not overridden in any way. The default method uh, the default method we have to provide default keyword in front the main method in programming. It can be overridden. And second one is a for each method in iterable interface. In Java 8 version, the Java dot language interface now supports for each functions. The iterable interface has a default method called for each collection uh, collection classes use to iterate items, which extends the iterable interface. Third one is a optional class. The Java 8 version, the double quote java.util package include an optional classes. The public final class optional is used to handle null pointer exception in a Java program. The Java Stream API for bulk data operations on collections. Another significant features in Java 8 version is the Stream API. The Stream API is used to handle a collection of items and allows many iterations in our programming. The fifth one is a Java datetime API under the package java.10. Java 8 version offers a new data time API. Sixth one is a Java IO improvements. Seventh one is a collection of API improvements. The collection API in Java 8 version now includes some new methods. By example, this is a default method for the iterator. Then last one is a based 64 encode decode for based 64 encoding. Java 8 version has built-in encode and decode functions. The base 64 encoding class is placed in java.util based 64. Then now we are using Java uh, in 17th September 2011. JDK Alpha and Beta 1995 is released. The Java Alpha and Beta was the first release, but they have highly unstable APIs in ABIS. And the supplied Java web browser was named WebRunner. The JDK 1.0 version is declared in 23rd January 1996. It was the first stable released version of Java. Its code name was Oak. The first stable version of JDK was JDK 1.02 and it was called Java 1. The JDK 1.1 version is released in 19 February in 1997. Some additions were included to this version, that is the concept of inner class. The Java beans, uh, the some concepts of inner classes are involved, such as Java beans, JDBC, RMI, AWT event module was totally reshaped. Then reflection, then JIT compiler, uh, and so and so and J2SE 1.2 version are used. These concepts are used in Java version 8. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.